Hello, I'm Wendy Martin, and here I have to interview Rayanne. So, how did you begin in the fashion industry?
Well, I was working at a mall location and I noticed people walking around who are dressed totally inappropriately for their body type. So I thought I'd start a business to teach them how to dress for their body type and make them more confident and feel much better about themselves.
So, I feel like you are an ambassador for empowering women. Do you do that in any other aspects of your life?
I think dressing well empowers you. I think the domestic violence, taking back the power from that is empowering as well. I'm an author, so I write empowering things.
Could you tell me a little bit more about your domestic violence platform? I'm aware that you do things on a global level.
I do, yeah. It is a global level. We tweet the helplines twice a day, and we make sure that people have somewhere to go if they need to go. And it's very important to people that they step forward if they need help.
Wow, that is really amazing. You sound very busy. I'm also aware that you are an author. So
I am,
could you tell me
yes.
about some of the things that you've written?
I can. I've written several poems. I've written short stories. And right now I have my cat traveling on Facebook. He's hitchhiking around Alaska as a children's story. And so I've got the children engaged to read that.
Wow, you are a very, very busy woman. So, of your fashion industry career, what about it makes you passionate? What about it makes you want to share it with other people?
Everything. I absolutely love fashion. It's one of the passions that I've got. I'm inspired by Coco Chanel.
Thank you so much. Again, I am Wendy Martin, and thank you for tuning in to EOTM.